All right, what's up, everyone? So in this episode, I just want to show you how we can easily adjust permissions on our site based off of our plan value. So if you remember here, we now have this tier freelancer yearly value. And if we look into our tiers, we have different, tiers. We have startup, we have freelancer, we have enterprise, as well as their monthly and yearly variance. And I just want to show you how we can alter our client to show that. So if you remember in our .t.ts, we have our plan value that's being passed in our auth, so we can easily query for plan on the client side. So let's do this. In auth menu, so let's just say plan is equal to, and we're going to pass it our plan. And then in auth avatar, let's just adjust this to say plan. Sorry about that TypeScript, but you get the point. We're going to add a plan prop. And then I want to just add some dynamic classes here. I'm actually going to pull this in from my blog post. It's pretty redundant and honestly pretty simple stuff. So here's dynamic. We're dynamically rendering borders. So it's going to be an indigo border if we're part of the freelance tier. It's going to be a red border if we're part of the startup tier, and a green border if we're part of the enterprise. The reason I say includes is because in our tiers, you can see they always have tier startup, whether it's monthly or yearly. And so this includes will capture whether it's yearly or monthly. You're the same premium user type, so it should render that color. Now, if we go back to our page, refresh, we can't forget to add border 2 here so that these border colors are actually rendering. Okay, with this in place, let's go back to our page and look at that. Now we have a nice little indigo border. And if we're going to change to, let's just say, startup in our database, let's save. You should expect this color to change. There it is, red. So I know this is a very simple showcase, but I did just want to show you it's now as easy as doing some, you can do very basic like client side checks against this plan, and you can do cool UI changes. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.